friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, we're going to make a very special recipe, which is the Chinese style prawn hakka noodles. This is a very delicious recipe. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Now let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Today I've taken 2 packets of hakka noodles, which is the egg noodles. Let's boil the noodles in hot water with some salt. When the noodles is well cooked, let's strain it and keep it aside. We also need to add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Now let's see the ingredients. We need half a cabbage, which is thinly sliced, 1 capsicum, which is also thinly sliced, 2 carrots, which is cut into strips, 6 garlic cloves, which is crushed. We need some green chili sauce, some oyster sauce, and also some dark soya sauce, and also some white vinegar. Now let's also take 1 large onion, which is finely sliced. Today I've taken 1 kg of prawns, which is deweighed and cleaned well. Now let's marinate the prawns with about half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt and marinate it and keep it aside. Now let's take a non-stick pan. Into the pan let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's drop the prawns into the hot oil and stir fry it. The pan should be nice and hot so that the prawns cooks very fast. We need to cook the prawns on both the sides. In about 3 minutes, you can see that our prawns is almost ready. It's perfectly cooked. At this stage, let's remove the prawns from the pan and keep it aside. So into the same pan, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the crushed garlic into the oil. Today I've taken about 6 garlic cloves, which is crushed. Now let's add about 2 green chilies, which is cut into small pieces, and stir fry till the garlic releases all the aroma in the oil. When the garlic is nice and golden brown, let's add the chopped onions. Today I've taken 2 large onions, which is thinly sliced. We need to cut all the vegetables into thin strips so that the vegetables cook well with the noodles. Now you can see that the onions are nice and translucent. At this stage, let's add the chopped carrots. Today I've taken 2 carrots, which is thinly sliced and cut into strips. Now let's add the chopped cabbage. Today I've taken about half a cabbage, which is thinly sliced and cut into strips, and also add about half a teaspoon of salt. Always remember to add the carrots and cabbage first. The capsicum has to go last because the capsicum cooks very fast. So stir fry all the vegetables for about 2 minutes. Now you can see that our vegetables are half cooked. At this stage, let's add the capsicum. Today I've taken 1 green capsicum and cut it into fine thin strips. The capsicum usually cooks very fast, so just stir fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, let's add the prawns. Now mix all the ingredients together. Now let's add the cooked noodles. And finally, let's add the sauces. I've taken about 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, which is the dark soya sauce, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, and also add about 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now let's add about 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. You can alter the pepper powder according to your taste. If you like it a little bit more spicy, you can add a little bit more pepper powder. Now let's mix all the ingredients together, and finally let's garnish it with some spring onions. Check the seasoning and serve it hot. So that's it, friends. Our delicious Chinese style prawn hakka noodles is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. Hope you like this video. See you all soon with another interesting recipe. Like and subscribe to my channel, friends, and leave your comments below.